Today I'm going to show to you P5 Emily and P5 Edit how to make a welcome screen in using Scratch animation. First, open your Scratch. Last time, if I'm not mistaken, we already make it the account, right? No, so that means this time you can using the account. Okay, I will open Scratch. Okay, this one, Scratch. As you can see, it's already logged in with my account. Yeah, so now how to make it? It's simple. You click create. To make a welcome screen or a game over screen during the game, and connect it to the video tutorial that I already provide in your Google Classroom. It's kind of simple actually. Now, first, what you need to prepare, you need to getting rid of this cat. Why? Because we don't need it. What you need is the background. For example, I'm gonna choose this. For this background, you're gonna need to duplicate it. First, remove this one, duplicate it, and then duplicate it again. Now, after that, don't forget P5 Edith, P5 Emily. This is the basic. So whether that you're gonna follow it or you have your own creation, it's up to you. Okay, we're gonna make a difference between these. First, welcome screen. For welcome screen, you can use this paint bucket, and then you can try to use it here, and then maybe you can choose this one. And then you can make it maybe white. So it will be like this way. Or maybe you can put a certain color, maybe yellow. Now, for example, this you can make it like that, and then for this one you can make it a little bit darker. Something like I'm gonna make it like this. Now I'm gonna put it here. Now you can tell the differences. This is for a welcome screen. Next is this is the screen during the game, and then now the last one. The last one, you can make it like this, or you can make it like this. Make it black. Then this one you can make it a little bit white and a little bit darker. Like that. Done. So you can now have three different screens. This is for welcome screen. This is the middle of the game. This is what is that? Game over. Okay. Now after you're done, you can decorate it again. Put the name or something. And here you can make it. For example, since I'm gonna make it catching game or jumping game, catching game name, catching game. Now for this matters, you can change it the letter. For example, like this. After you can make it this. Then you can make it bigger. Nah, like that. Catching game.